Hi friends and my dear students, this is Dr. R. Dinesh Babu. Today topic is mathematical logic. I hope you are enjoying this session after watching this video lecture. Dear everyone, subscribe the channel 60 Thoughts and click the bell icon to get new updates. These are my today's subsections. First one is brief introduction about mathematical logic. Second one, we will discuss about what is statement and example. Third one, we will see types of connectives. Today we will discuss about mathematical logic. Why do we study mathematical logic? First we will see the brief introduction about mathematical logic. Mathematical logic reasoning provides the theoretical base for many areas of mathematics and consequently computer science. It has many practical applications in computer science. For example, design of computing machine, artificial intelligence, and data structure for programming language, and etc. So first, now we see the first definition is statement. What is meant by statement? Statement is nothing but it is a collection of declarative statements that has either a truth statement or a false statement. Statement it is also called a proposition. For example, today is Wednesday. So we are going to verify today is Wednesday is correct statement or false statement. Okay, that is called statement. Statements. Next definition, what is meant by connectives? Connectives is nothing but it connect the propositional variables. So before we see that, what is meant by propositional variables? Usually we denote the propositional variables capital P, Q, or some other variables A, B, C, D like that. So for example, man is mortal. So this is nothing but it is a statement. So we are going to verify man is mortal is truth statement or false statement. Here it turns the truth statement only. Second example is 12 plus 9 equal to 3 minus 2. So this is nothing but this is also one of the statement. We are going to verify the statement is correct statement false statement. Here you see what is 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 is nothing but 21. So here 21 here 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. So here this statement is wrong statement. So we write false statement. In general, we use five types of connectives which are nothing but first one is negation, second one is conjunction, third one is disjunction, fourth one is conditional, and fifth one is biconditional. So these five connectives are very important. So here the negation is not, the connecting word is not, and these are the negations. Next one is what is meant by conjunction. Conjunction is nothing but joining the two statement. Here it is connecting the connecting word is and. So and this is nothing but connecting symbol. Third definition is disjunction. Disjunctions means the connecting word is or. So nothing but disjunction symbol. Fourth one is connectives. Conditional connectives is nothing but if then. Connecting word is if then. For example, if today is Monday, then tomorrow is Tuesday. So if then is nothing but connectives, conditional connectives. So this is conditional connective symbol. Last one is biconditional. Biconditional is nothing but the connecting word is if and only if. So that is nothing but this is nothing but if and only if symbol. So now we see first definition. What is meant by connection? Negation. Negation is nothing but if the given statement is true, then negation of given statement is false. For example, let us consider the given statement is P. So let us consider the given statement P is true. So what is negation of P? Negation of P is nothing but false. Negation of P is nothing but false. So which is read as negation P. Okay. For example, another example is Let us consider the given statement P is false. What is negation of given statement? That means true. Okay, so in general, negation connectives is nothing but if P statement is true, negation P is false. Okay, or else if P statement is false, then negation P is true. So now we see the truth table is as follows. Let us consider P statement. P is nothing but first propositional variable, and also it is called as first statement. So here we get true and false. Here we have one result. If number of compound statement is n, then the truth table is 2 power n, 2 power n rows. So here number of compound statement is 1. So n value is 1. So you get 2 power 1 equal to 2 rows. So you consider first row is T, second row is false, which means let us consider statement is today is Monday. So that statement is correct means we can write true. Suppose the statement is wrong statement, so we can write false. Okay. Now I am going to find what is negation P. Negation P is nothing but if P statement is true, negation P is false. You see, if P statement is false, we can write negation P is true. So in general, negation connectives is nothing but if P is true, then negation P is false. If negation P is if P is false, negation P is true. Next definition, we will see what is connectives, conjunction connectives. Conjunction connectives is nothing but joining the two statements. So here we need minimum two statements. So I am going to consider one statement is P statement, another statement is I am going to consider Q statement. So here what is conjunction connective is if both statement P Q is true. If both statement P and Q is true, then P and Q is true, or else the rest cases are false, which means one statement is true, another statement is false, then P and Q is false only. Okay, so which is read as P and Q. Okay, so what is conjunction connectives? Conjunction connectives is nothing but if both statement is true, then P and Q is true. The rest cases are false. Here you see the table is follows. First one we consider P statement. Second one we consider Q statement. Why? Because conjunction is nothing but we need at least two statements. So if number of compound statement is two, so we can write four four rows. So first two rows I am going to write it true true. Remaining two rows I am going to write false false. Second statement I am going to write true false alternatively. So now I am going to find what is P and Q. So which is read as P and Q. P and Q is nothing if statement is true, you P and Q is true. So here you see first statement true, second statement true, so you get it true. Second first statement true, second statement false, you get false. Third statement, third row you see first statement false, second statement true, you get false. Similarly, last one also false. So conjunction connectives? Conjunction connectives is nothing but both statement is true, you get P and Q is true. So the rest cases are false. Third definition, disjunction connectives. Disjunction connectives is nothing but if any one at least one statement is true, then P or Q is true. So it is P or Q. The connecting word is or. Either first statement or second statement is true, we can write P or Q is true. Okay, so here we have to see it satisfies at least one statement is true. Okay, is as so here also we should get minimum two statement. One is P statement, another one is Q statement. So we write true, true, false, true, false, false. So for now I am going to find what is PRQ. So PRQ is nothing but what is PRQ connective? At least one statement is true, then PRQ is true. Here you see first statement true, second statement true, you get it true. So you see first statement true, second one false, so you get it true. Why we wrote here true? At least one statement is true, write true. So third, so here we have at least one statement true, so you get it true. Last one is why? Because both the statements we have false, so that get PRQ is false. So conjunction, disjunction connectives is nothing but if at least one statement is true, we get PRQ is true. Okay. Fourth connectives is nothing but conditional connectives. What is meant by conditional connective is the connecting word is if, then, if, then. Okay, here you see if P statement is given, we are going to find Q statement. So here it is very easy to understand the concept. So first statement you should get true. Okay, second statement you should get false. Then P then Q is false. The rest cases are true. That is called conditional. Okay. Once again I tell you what is conditional. So we should verify first statement true, second statement it satisfies false, second statement it satisfies false, then P then Q is false. The rest cases are true. Okay, so here is read as P then Q, which is read as P then Q. For example, we see the truth table is as follows. So here also we need a minimum two statement. One is P statement, another one is Q statement. So how to find P then Q? What is a P then Q? P then Q is nothing but conditional connectives. So it satisfies first statement true, second statement false. You get P then Q is false. The rest cases are true. Here you see first statement true, second statement true, so you get it true. First statement false, second statement true, you get it true. So only it satisfies this condition. So this condition is nothing but first statement compulsory it should satisfy true. Second statement compulsory it satisfies false. Then P then Q is false. The rest cases are true. Okay. Last connective is nothing biconditional connectives. What is biconditional connective means? If both statements are true, then P if and only if Q is true. Otherwise, if both statement false, then P then Q is true. The rest cases are false. Okay, once again I tell you what is biconditional connectives. Biconditional connectives is nothing but both statements satisfies truth statement or both statements satisfies false, then P if and only if Q is true. The rest cases are false. Now we see the truth table is as follows. So here also minimum two statement, one is P statement, another one is Q statement. So which is read as P if and only if Q. Okay, what is biconditional statement? So it satisfies the statement is true, so you get it true, or else both statement false, you get true. Suppose one statement true, another statement is false, means you get false. Okay. So that is called biconditional connectives. So once again I tell you what is statement. Statement is nothing but it is a collection of declarative statements that has either it satisfies truth statement or false statement, and also it is denoted and also it is called as proposition. Next definition we discuss the connectives. What is meant by connectives? It connect the propositional variables. Propositional variables is nothing but usually we denote the capital letters P, Q, R, A, B, C, D like that. Next one we discussed five types of connectives. First connective is negative connective, nothing but if P statement is true. P statement is nothing but the given statement is true, then negation P is false. Let us consider the given statement is false, then the negation P is true. So P means true, true means false. That is called a negation statement. Next one, conjunction. Conjunction connectives is nothing but both statement is true. You get P and Q is true. The rest cases are false. Third connective is disjunction connectives. Disjunction connectives is nothing but at least one statement is true, then P or Q is here you see first at least one is true, you get it true. See, so both false, so false. Next is conditional connectives. The connecting word is if then. What is conditional connective? First statement it satisfies true. Second statement it satisfies false. Then P then Q. The rest cases are true. Next to last biconditional statement. Biconditional statement is nothing but if both statement is true. If both statement is true, you get P if and only if both statement is false, then P if and only if Q is true. One statement is true, one statement is false, you get P if and only if false. So these are the five connectives. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.